Alright guys, so a few of you have asked me how to set up the new Hero seat. It comes like this, flattened and in plastic. So obviously we gotta get rid of the plastic, let's do that. So it's very much the same seat. There are a few additions though. Now, when you travel, you can fold your seat flat like this, and it actually saves a significant amount of room in like the back seat of your truck or your car or whatever. You're gonna need a screwdriver, Phillips head. So you see there's some tabs here. Loosen up the screw just a little bit. Turn these like this. These dog ears are gonna fit right in to here. Basically, that is how you set up the seat. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. You guys can watch if you want, I suppose. Just tighten her down. Now, it's probably best if you keep your finger over the nut, just so that you do not lose it, because it is loose inside here. So as you pull the bolt out here, you can see that I pulled the bolt out, the nut comes out as well. So the best way to do that is just to keep your finger right over it. Some people will use tape, that sort of thing. I'm going to go right ahead and do this side, then I'll get the other side. Once that starts taking, simple as that. Oops. There you go, I dropped the nut. That's a thing that happens. Try to do things on camera. There we go, she caught this time. Not going to tighten it too much because we want to do the other side. We want to make sure that we have enough room to work. So make sure it all lines up. That's the tricky part while I'm trying to do this on my legs here instead of on a proper surface. There goes the nut. Do what I say, not what I do. Alright, so we're just gonna tighten her down now. She just grabbed. Yep. You want to make sure this one's nice and tight. If not, you will have it slide, and that will create discomfort for you. So you want to tighten down the one that holds the chair. You also want to tighten down the other one that we had to loosen so that we could rotate the dog ears out. You want to make sure that that's nice and tight as well, because that's clamping onto your... There. Tighten the bolt down. And that is the Hero seat, the 2019 Hero seat, kind of in a nutshell there. I think you guys are going to really like the way the seat sits. It's a little bit different. So then you just run your seat straps just like you usually would. We have a screwdriver right here. There we go. Tighten it back down so we don't lose it. Not backwards like you usually would. Front ways. you go. So it goes under, over, down in. That's how that goes. There's your seat. 2019.